Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial for the National Assessment for School Heads 2025. In this video, we will guide you on how to access the Department of Education Learning Management System and update your profile. Begin by accessing the DepEd Learning Management System through the link provided to you. On the homepage, select your region, then from the drop-down, click on your school's division office. You will then be redirected to the login page. You have two options to log in. You may use your DepEd Gmail account or your Microsoft account. Make sure to input your official DepEd email and password correctly to prevent any technical issues. Once you are done, click the Login button. Once logged in, verify that you've selected the correct region. Now let us update your LMS profile by clicking your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then, click the Settings button next to your display photo. To start updating, click Edit Profile. Ensure all personal details are accurate and up to date. To change or upload your user picture, click the Files button or simply drag and drop down your image into the space provided. After updating your information, scroll down and click the Update Profile button to save your edits. You're all set! Your DepEd LMS profile is now updated for NASH 2025. Thank you for watching! Before you exit, make sure to review your details one last time.